Okay, so the next product that we're going to look at, or accessory, is made by Brainwavz, and Brainwavz audio accessories right there. As if you guys don't know, Brainwavz makes a lot of accessories for your headphones, like headphone ear pads and headbands, and then mounts. This is called their Big T under desk mount, and you can get it on Amazon for $11.99, and it comes in 4 colors. Although Brainwavz calls one of them a color which isn't technically, yeah. So let me tell you all the colors they have. They have white, they have black, they have green and purple. I got the white one because it matches my the shelf that I'm going to put it under. So I'm not really putting it under a desk, I'm putting it under a shelf. So you might be wondering why I didn't get the wall mounts instead, but you'll see in a little bit why. So yeah, 4 colors. So it's a little smaller than what I thought in the pictures. They make it look so big because it's just the actual, like a zoomed in like this. Up top is the sticky, what they call 3M VHB tape. I don't know what VHB means. You can probably look that up for yourself. So right here, it looks like an instruction card. And then when you open it up, it's also got a registration. So it's like a registration card info, to keep with you just in case you have any issues. And then an instruction card. And that's pretty much it for that one. Right here you have pictures of their other accessories, like their headphones, their see, headphone pads, ear pads and stuff like that, headband pads, and they have a QR code, so it'll probably take you to their web page or whatever that with their products. And another QR code here. It says win $100, 10% off your next order. So you can pause that and read it for yourself. So yeah, that is it. Pretty self-explanatory. Let me show you what I'm going to put it on and why I got the white one. Trying to decide between this under the desk mount or actual wall mounts. But if you guys can see, most of those wall mounts that have stickies, my wall, it looks kind of white, but it's grayish, is not the smoothest surface to be putting the stickies on. But I have this shelf right here, and so with the shelf I can put the sticky under. And so the instructions calls for you to clean the surface area that you're going to put the wall mounts, the sticky on. And then they want you to mark it where you're going to place it. And then once you have it, once you remove this backing right here, you're ready to stick it into place. But after you stick it into place, they want you to wait 24 hours before you can start putting your headphones on. So that is the end of this part. I'll get back to you guys in a little bit after I have it installed, and then get back to you guys again when I have the actual headphones on, so you guys can see how it looks. So that is it for this part. We'll see you in a little bit for the next 2 parts, you could say. One with this fully installed, and then the next time out 24 hours later with the headphones on them, so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, I got my shelf cleaned up and ready to go, and I was getting ready to install this. One thing you guys should be aware of is this sticky is not the easiest to remove if you don't have any fingernails. As you can see here, I tried to remove it. When I was trying to remove it, you can see where my nails kind of dug in a little bit, or what little nails I have. This would have been a better process if Brainwavz could have made like a little flap or a little tab that doesn't stick. It just like hangs out a little bit, so you can, you know, pull the sticker apart, but it doesn't have one. I had to actually use a little knife to so it can go underneath the tape, and then I can pry it apart or pull it apart with my fingers. So just be aware of that. Okay, so here we have it installed underneath my shelf, and as you can see, you don't want to place it directly flush near the wall, because then you're not going to have any room for your headphones. And let me go around here and let me show you. So as you guys can see, it's a little bit off center, near more towards the front, so when I place my headphones, they could still have room right there where the wall is. So see, once I got my headphones on, they're gonna go in this way like that, and they should have room. Okay. So as you can see, it says 20 minutes is only 50%, 24 hours is 90%, 72 hours is 100%. So we will see you guys in about 24 hours or later for the completion with the headphones on. So here it is, a little over 24 hours later, but not quite the full 52 hours that it said for the 100% settling. So as you can see, I have two of my, I guess you can say, some of the most heaviest. The only thing heavier than the biodynamic that I have right now is the my Victory, my Bluetooth V2's Victory version 2. And the waves are almost as heavy as the Victory version 2's. So that is it right there, fully installed, as you can see. So not too hard of a process. The hardest part was trying to get the sticker out. You know, all you got to do is, like it says in the instructions, clean up the surface area that you want to put the under desk mount holder on, and then make sure it's dry. You know, and then take out the sticker from the mount and remove it. And removing the sticker was the hardest part, because they don't have any tabs or anything to make removal of the sticker a lot easier. So that is it. That is our look at this Brainwavz Big T under the desk mount. You can get it on Amazon for $11.99 with Prime. It comes in 4 different colors. The white one here, there's a black, there's an extra large black, there's purple, green, and red. So that is it. If you guys are interested in this desk mount, I'll put a link in the description. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and good workout tips. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see you soon for another video. Have a great day.